not going to believe this, guys. We are in Coquina Beach, guys. It's a big wave. Just follow me, that we're gonna be in the water. By the way, I got a new hat. What do you think? New sunglasses. This shirt is the best thing. The GPS, 50% protection from the sun, dries up in at least an hour when it gets wet. Very comfortable, very cool. Nice graphics. Look at this wave. Come on guys, follow me. Look at this. If you have the Meta Quest 1, 2, and 3, just put your goggles and enjoy. It's a big current. It's cooling out, so we have to be careful. But it's a big wave. Look at this. It's unusual to see Coquina Beach water. The water temperature is awesome. Look at this wave. Nice. That's pretty cool. Look at that. If you like surfing, hey, it's a nice look at that. Look at that one. That's awesome. By the way, if you like my hat, it's also USPF, 50% protection to avoid skin cancer. Not sponsored by future cancer. Big currents. Big currents. Guys, if you like this video, you're new in my channel. I'm 21, traveling with me, and we are in Coquina Beach. Woo. So nice. Look at that. Woo. That's very cool. Yeah, we're having a great time. Please like and follow. Press the bell button if you want to see more videos about these. Sunday we're going to be in Coquina, and also we're going to take the ferry to Coquina Beach, so stay tuned, like and follow, because we're going to be in Coquina Beach. We're going to take the ferry direct to the island. We're not going to have a lot of videos there. Please follow. Woo! So nice. Look at this wave. That's awesome. So much more videos, guys. Woo! That's a good one. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Ah! Look at my phone. Oh, we're out of the way, so. Woo! That was amazing. Oh my God. Let's get out. Too much current. I lost my sunglasses. Yeah. Alright guys, I just lost my sunglasses. So So it was a big wave. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see if I can find them. Brand new. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.